friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go to Eid Bazaar in our location. During the time of Eid, all over Canada and US and all, you can see these kind of Eid Bazaars nearing to the Eid, and Chandrat Bazar also will be there. In the beginning of the month of Ramzan Bazar was there. So every time small business people will bring their products and sell it at good price over here. In one spot you can buy all you want for Eid, either it be jewelry, shoes, clothes, even some eateries also will be available, like nuts, fruits, dry fruits and all will be available. Few years back and all, these kind of Eid Bazaar you can see only in big cities, but nowadays everywhere, even in small towns and cities, you can see these kind of bazaars nearing to the festival. That is either Eid or even Bakra Eid. For that time also you will have these kind of bazaar. Beautiful jewelry you can see, very beautiful, different variety of jewelry, either very traditional or even modern jewelry and clothes. Everything you can find, even Pakistani dresses, you can find Indian clothings, you can find Turkish dresses, Turkish jewelry, all kind of jewelry, clothes, shoes, even clothes for men you can find here in these kind of bazaar, especially for Eid. This Eid Bazaar where we are is in Cambridge. This was only for one day, that is Sunday, previous Sunday we went, and it's not going to be anymore. Now at this point of time, if you want to have some bazaar of this kind, you can visit even Mississauga or even Brampton and even Toronto region. There are many bazaar. Every day you will find somewhere or the other where you will have all these kind of fine jewelry, clothings and lot more. Even in Toronto Outlet Mall there is Chandrat Bazar, it seems. That is going to be nice grand bazaar. Even you can visit that also if you want to. This is Portuguese club where they have conducted this bazaar. Nice big place it is to display so many stalls. Each and every small business people will get opportunity to showcase their products and sell them at best price. It's my humble request, do not over bargain over there in these places. These all are small business people who spend out of their pocket to earn some business out of these bazaars only. If we just keep bargaining too much, they will not have much to earn over here. That is also a kind of sadqa. Definitely make some kind of business with them so that they will get some profit. This stall has nice multiple variety of jewelry here, that is Pakistani, Turkish, Indian, variety of bangles and jewelry you can see. I was really attracted towards these bangles, golden ones, but finally I end up buying multicolor like this and started wearing it there itself and roaming out in this bazaar. Everybody were asking where did I buy. I was just pointing out that shop. I hope all her bangles would have flown up by the end of the day. Already my Eid shopping was done, but still here giving small business to these people will make them a big difference. Like that only I bought few things over here, like I bought those bangles, and some places you can buy small things. That is going to be a great help for them. Many different variety of stall. One of a kind is this henna stall also. I bought henna cones. I will apply henna by myself. Let me see how the color turns out to be. Here even they were applying henna for kids also, but it was too early to apply henna, so I just bought the cones. These type of shops were also there. This is very beautiful way of gifting on Eid to your friends or family, or even keeping it on the center table. All goodies you can keep in these wooden cases and all. It was very nice. You can see even the artwork behind, that is crescent shape, lanterns, and these calligraphy for wall was also very beautiful. Just right next to this was another beautiful shop with these portly type of designed clutches and lot of jutis, sandals, and these all are Punjabi type of stuff available over here. Very beautiful shop. Easily she understood that I am going to upload this on my channel or something like that. She was offering me her Instagram link and she was giving me good offers. She has already requested me to just leave her Instagram link in the description box. I will definitely leave. You can buy these jutis and all those clutches, everything. You can buy it online all over Canada. You will be getting these delivered. You can bargain with all these people, but do not push them to the core to give at a very lowest price. Otherwise, they will not have any profit out of these kind of bazaars and all. So we can be decent enough in buying things. Look at this stall. This is a nice Turkish shop which is for door hanging or on the wall or in the entrance. And this is a very small stall but very beautiful and very meaningful stop. Next has a very nice deals here, 3-piece suit and all for 3 dresses, three full sets for $100 or 4 tops, only short top or kurtis and all for $100. Like that, very great offers. It is all special for Eid, Grand Eid Bazaar offer it is. This is another shop where you can find beautiful jewelry at a very lowest price. Among all the jewelries we saw, this shop was giving a very best price at a very lowest price too. This is SPJ jewelry. You can see in Instagram. They have very good deals and also the prices are very reasonable. Each and every piece of jewelry is unique and different. All Eid collection, you can see crescent shape and all is there, and nice lovely bead designs. Every color you can choose, whatever color you want, you will find it over here in this shop. Very beautiful jewelry. Very beautiful sets to wear on nice suits. So we were just trying out which will look best, and few of these jewelry my friend bought. Today it is Sunday and all day long went here in this bazaar itself. I have work to go and do at home, cook some food for mosque, and we will have our iftar at mosque. It is already decided in the morning itself. So quickly I'll wrap it up from here and have to move on. Out of all dresses, we should not miss out the abayas. See, all these are nice, colorful, nice, grand work abayas. These are every kind of shop you can find. Even the shops for gents was also there. I did not cover in this video. This is also another Punjabi shop where you can find jutis, jewelries, and even the bangles. Innumerable in this shop, only lot of bangles. You can see all different sizes. Even jutis were there for small kids. Baby jutis were also there in this shop. I will show you in some time. Every shop was having a combination of jewelry, shoes, clothes. Like this, it's a mix and match. But you should go and first see all the shops where you are getting good price. Accordingly you can choose to buy. Now our next stop is in the scarf stall. Here you can see different colors, different variety of materials, jersey materials, even nice crush materials, jazzy materials, all kind at different prices. One scarf I liked a lot and I'm going to buy it. I'll just show you in a minute. This same scarf I already had, but it got spoiled, so I want to have one more, so I'm going to buy the same. This kind of crushed materials with little shine on it will be very beautiful, so I'm going to buy this one. Today here for this Eid Bazaar, we all friends together came here, had whole lot of fun. Finally in this shop, we all together bought few juttis at a very good deal. And here is my shopping. See, now our shopping is done and it's time to go home. That's it. Soon after I go home, I decided to prepare chicken pasta, in which I also added some veggies also. See, already chicken I marinated and kept before coming itself. Instantly fried onions, added the marinated chicken. To that I am adding little bit of veggies, that is carrot, beans, peas and all. And one side I am also boiling the pasta. Finally mix both pasta and that prepared sauce, and our macaroni is very much ready. And we will pack it and go to mosque. I came home by 5 o'clock around, then prepared this pasta and went to mosque for having our iftar. Hope you all liked this video and enjoyed it too. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Next I'll be back with my Eid celebration video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.